Hi friends, today we are going to do unboxing for Signia Styletto AX. This is one of the slimmest and smart hearing aid from Signia in RIC category. So let's understand what it is and what is packed inside the box. So as soon as you open the box, the first thing that you see is a user manual and a warranty card. Then you see the main product itself. This product is also act as a power bank for the whole unit, where you can charge the unit up to 4 times, and this is being charged by normal type C charger as you charge your regular phones. Inside is your hearing aid. As you can see, these hearing aids are rechargeable, so you can see a charging tip on the bottom and a microphone on the top. These hearing aids are not coming with RIC receivers or ear tips that you will get separately from your hearing aid suppliers or in a separate box. Inside the box, you will also get a type C cable to charge your hearing aid, a cleaning brush strip and a wall adapter. So let's keep this aside. So your hearing aid in the box does not come with a receiver, so this receiver you will be provided by your hearing center or from where you are purchasing it. So we already have that for you. So you will get a pair of receivers to connect with this, and a pack of ear packs so that you can connect. We already have that. Okay, here you can see we are using the 2P receiver based on our audiogram. You can select any type of receiver, and this receiver is also called click type because when you put it inside, it will make a noise like click. So you can hear this is now connected, and the same way you can connect the ear tip. You can see you have to see this to be outside. Just gently push it, so your hearing aid is ready. The same goes with the other side. So your hearing is now ready to use. Now you have to configure this using the Connect software, which your hearing aid expert will do that for you based on your audiogram, and this hearing aid is good to use. So thanks for watching.